Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best Honeywell humidifier filters are probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked components for maintaining optimal air quality and comfort in your home, ensuring that your humidifier operates at peak efficiency to combat dry air, alleviate respiratory discomfort, and protect your furnishings from moisture damage, making them a crucial investment for a healthier living environment. Number 5. Honeywell Replacement Wicking Filter A 3-pack. Keep your evaporative Honeywell humidifier running smoothly with our replacement wicking filter. It's designed to capture minerals and reduce white dust for cleaner air. Our genuine filters feature a patented design that inhibits the growth of particles on the filter. A pre-filter layer also helps capture larger particles for optimal performance. Maintaining optimal humidity levels can make your home feel warmer and improve breathing comfort. It helps alleviate dry skin and can reduce nasal congestion. Whether for babies, children, or adults, maintaining proper humidity is essential for a good night's sleep, especially when the air is dry or during illness. Improve your indoor air quality and create a healthier breathing environment year-round. These filters help neutralize odors for a clean and fresh atmosphere. What we like. This filter is designed to capture minerals and reduce white dust, making it ideal for those with hard water. If you're experiencing white residue on your furniture, this is the filter for you. It also inhibits the growth of particles, ensuring cleaner air. What people say. The blue pre-filter layer catches larger particles, and the wicking material seems to keep the moisture steady without constant fiddling. What stood out was how much cleaner surfaces looked and how the mineral buildup around the unit slowed down. These wicks last at least a month or more, they raise the dry air level on the hygrometer, and it's great for allergies, etc. Number 4. Colorfullife Humidifier Filter T for Honeywell HFT 600 HEV 615 HEV 620. Ensure your Honeywell humidifier runs smoothly with our compatible replacement filters. They are designed to perfectly fit HFT 600, HEV 615, and HEV 620 series models. Experience enhanced humidification thanks to the multi-layer honeycomb design. It maximizes moisture absorption, preventing sagging and ensuring optimal humidity levels between 40% and 60%. Breathe easier with air filtered for impurities. This replacement helps prevent white powder from settling, maintaining your humidifier's peak performance. This value pack includes 6 filters, offering a cost-effective solution for maintaining your home's humidity. Replace them every 2 to 3 months for best results. For continuous output, soak the filter in cool water before use. Flipping it daily and using distilled water will prolong its life and maintain performance. What we like. With its multi-layer honeycomb design and rigid paper structure, this filter maximizes moisture absorption for rapid humidification. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution and need to quickly raise humidity levels, this 6-pack is a great choice. It's perfect for maintaining optimal humidity in your home during dry seasons. What people say. The fit is perfect for HEV 615, HEV 620, and HFT 600 series models, and they work just like the original filters. They trap dust and impurities efficiently, and my humidifier runs quietly and effectively. The filters fit well, wick moisture evenly, and don't have that musty smell some cheaper ones get after a couple of weeks. Number 3. iSingo Humidifier Filter HFT 600T Replacement. Ensure a perfect fit for your Honeywell HEV 600 and HFT 600 series humidifiers. These filters are designed to seamlessly replace your old ones. Get great value with this 4-pack of premium replacement filters. They are made with durable materials and an enhanced grid structure for better performance. Our filters feature a honeycomb design for maximum water absorption. This ensures optimal moisture output for your home. For best results, use distilled water. These filters last 1 to 2 months depending on usage and water hardness. Clean the filter and tray every 1 to 2 weeks with a vinegar and water solution for extended life. We are committed to providing high-quality, cost-effective filters. Enjoy peace of mind with our 90-day warranty or refund policy. What we like. This filter features an upgraded environmental filter paper with a durable diamond-shaped grid structure for enhanced moisture output. If you prioritize a long-lasting filter with guaranteed performance and peace of mind, this 4-pack with a 90-day warranty is an excellent option. It's designed to maximize moisture for a more comfortable living environment. What people say. I used these filters in my Honeywell upright humidifier all season and they worked great. This is the second set of filters I ordered and they work well. Good product and used them in Honeywell humidifier. Number 2. Colorfullife HAC 504 Humidifier Wicking Filters, 4-pack. Introducing the Colorfullife HAC 504 Humidifier Wicking Filters. Designed to keep your home's air comfortably moist and healthy. Our filters feature a multi-layer honeycomb structure for superior moisture absorption. They are made with rigid, absorbent paper that maintains its shape, ensuring optimal humidity output. Enjoy relief from dry air, especially during winter. These filters work to purify water, preventing white powder from settling in your home and maintaining your humidifier's peak performance. This value pack includes 4 replacement filters. For best results, we recommend replacing them every 2 to 3 months, depending on your usage and local water conditions. For continuous humidity, soak the new filter in cool water before use. Using distilled water and flipping the filter daily will further enhance performance and longevity. These filters are designed to be compatible with a wide range of Honeywell humidifier models, including the HCM 300, HCM 500, HCM 600, HEV 300, and HCM 700 series, as well as specific models like HAC 504 and ECM 250. What we like. Boasting extensive compatibility with numerous Honeywell models, this filter also features a honeycomb design for maximum moisture absorption. If you have a wide range of Honeywell humidifier models or are looking for a filter made with FSC certified paper, this 4-pack is a solid choice. It ensures optimal humidity output and a healthier breathing environment. What people say. The filter is designed to fit Honeywell humidifiers. It effectively traps minerals and impurities from the water, preventing them from being released into the air. The filter helps to extend the life of the humidifier by reducing scale buildup. Number 1. Future Way Humidifier Filter A for Honeywell HCM 350 series. Ensure optimal performance with our humidifier filter, designed for a perfect fit with Honeywell models like the HCM 350B, HCM 350W, HCM 710, and HEV 312W. It's also compatible with the Honeywell Cool Mist Humidifier. Get the same quality as the original filters but at a fraction of the cost. This pack includes 4 filters, offering excellent value for your money. Crafted from durable, smell-resistant wood fiber fabric with a dense mesh construction, these filters are built to last. They remain sturdy and upright for consistent performance. Experience enhanced comfort with our filters' excellent water absorption capabilities. They efficiently release moisture into the air, combating dryness effectively. Each filter is precisely sized for your convenience. They measure 7 to 7/8 inches in length, 5 to 1/8 inches in width, and 1 to 1/2 inches in thickness. What we like. Made from smell-resistant wood fiber fabric in a dense mesh construction, this filter offers a long-lasting and sturdy solution. If you're looking for a filter that stays upright, resists odors, and provides excellent performance at a great value, this 4-pack is ideal. It efficiently absorbs water for optimal moisture output, making dry air more comfortable. What people say. Filters are as pictured and arrive individually packaged in the cardboard box. They work great and are super simple to replace when necessary. Works perfectly with my Honeywell humidifier. The filters work very well. What that means is that the water storage is quickly depleted as the humidifier sends out a good supply of moisture. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.